We are drawing a serval today. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, and we are starting getting down to the wire here. We got about 10 or 11 more to go. I haven't really counted yet before we complete African Critters Volume 3 of my coloring book series, and it seems to be going pretty well. I'm thinking forward to my next project, which will be dinosaurs. I'm still thinking on how I should group them, whether I should group them by the different eras that they appeared in, but we will see. But no, that's going to be a fun one. I do remember drawing dinosaurs when I was in grade school, and they probably weren't very good. I thought they were, I think. But yeah, it'll be fun. The serval was a interesting one. I saw the name and the list of African critters, and I didn't know what it was. So I decided to look it up, and it's a very interesting little cat. It looks very sleek and sly, but I decided to make it, of course, cute for a coloring book because that's what I do. And it came out really good. There was a lot of pictures to look at. It's a pretty dark colored cat, and and another thing I like about doing this coloring book is I get to research these critters that I'm drawing, and I found out that these guys can jump over 10 feet high. They can catch birds in midair. They're spotted coats, which you'll see the spots appear there at the end. That helps them camouflage in the tall grass. So they do mostly eat rodents, birds, and frogs and insects. So they are nocturnal. I did this as a day scene just because I felt like the sun has been raining here for quite a few days, and a little tree in the background. I've gotten a little more comfortable in my inking. I'm not doing a lot of fine detail with the pencil. I'm just doing a little outline and then defining the lines with the ink closer to the end. Once the ink is the final product of it. So yeah, I'm doing it, getting a little better, a little more comfortable with inking, and so yeah, it's been quite a journey. Another little fun fact about the serval: they purr unlike many wildcats. So if you like what I'm doing or you're enjoying my series, like and subscribe, and keep coming around for more. Have a great day.